Alrighty then, running a bit late.
Q63.
Been pretty busy with a lot of things here today. We released the Robbins Scampionship Con Artist Test. Seems like a lot of people caught on to the nuance there. Let's get into our competition screen.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Let's see, final 30 minutes of the day. We actually only have 25 minutes. We are fast in there. Man, I am really sad just coming in here and looking at this beautiful moonshot down here. Look at this pinpoint perfection. To the crab is 107 ticks. From a 10 to an 18.2 is 83 ticks. From the moonshot up to the opposing signals. 83 or 107, take your pick. It's a beauty. And I'm a beast. I don't know. I'm not always a beast. I'm a nice guy until turds like ICT roll around and threaten my family. I'm a really nice guy, believe it or not. All right. I know it's hard to imagine, but do me a favor, smash that like button, and I'll get even nicer. Let's see if we can do 750 here. Remember, it is pre-FOMC news type of trading. Where are the golden ropes? We want to look at the golden ropes on the 89 and the wave. Unfortunately, in my current layout, I don't have that. So I'm either going to need to switch workspaces or not really concern myself with it and kind of estimate where it is. And well, we can add a chart. We could do that as well. But anyway, I'm gonna show that it really doesn't matter. I'm going to stick with going with the Mac VU. So I'm gonna make sure, if you are not in Discord, make sure you are in Discord. And you do see it up here at the top left. I just don't have my OBS layout updating it right now. This is what it looks like inside of our Discord room. It is free, so check out that direction filter. That is all 4 of the correlated instruments and telling you the current direction. I'm gonna hop into my Discord room and go to that section on the left hand side. It's called the Mac VU filter. Looks like this. And it's right on the left hand side of Discord. Again, regardless of whether if you've purchased our system or not, you might want to be using the Mac VU filter, hanging out here with us in our public chat, and just clicking on this. This will update every time any one of the 4 markets shifts. Right now we are neutral, so I can take either direction right now and we will play it. Now that I have that filter, what is my next filter that I want to think about after that? Let's see who gets it. See if anybody's got a free hand. Right now we are in a no trade zone, so hopefully you already know that. So you should be able to type to me. Keep your fingers off the triggers. We're close. Oh, we're breaking through it right now. Cool. So now we are trade on, right? We've got a double red dot here, but the way that this spiked down, I really want to be looking for some longs here. I got a target gold high time frame up top here, but we're gonna wait, and I'm gonna get an Enigma, hopefully a moonshot. And let me get my trade order size ready to go because I'm going for 750 here today with a couple of trades. Winner chicken dinner. Remember, here are my, can you guys see, you see my hand waving up top? We got the live cam working again, so we've got my 5 trades ready to go with my golden Trump coins over here, ready to roll. Out of 5, I want to get winner chicken dinner. All right, that is telling me speed is not good right now. Speed is at 22. I do see it speeding up though, so I may want to take that off. Psychology module doing its job for me. 339. Breaking through that red dot over on the right, no surprise there. Also want to be looking for caves. Let me do a Control R here real quick. Control R, remove all drawing objects, anything that we drew last night from our Mentorship Monday, etc. That's right, ALGO box is really all you need. That's true, in my opinion. All right, we got a big green line target up above us here. Let's see how we react there. A masher, we got a masher line right here at the same spot right here. I don't even have to mark it, but I'm going to anyways. Press F6. There's my masher spot right here. Okay, there's our sell supply. Okay, speed is now at 30. So we're at okay speed. We want good speed. Good speed is 40 to 50 for me. 75 to 100 is best for me, personally. Still hearing buyers on the tape, and it is grinding, so I'm not going to rewind. Speed slowed down to 25 now, so under 30. So my warning psychology module has shown me here, like, hey, speed's not great, but that means we want to go and continue in the direction that we've been going. And right now that is long. It does look like a nasty trap over here. Big push down, making everybody look short. So probably gonna smash them to the highs. All right, I hear a buyer start to step in. I'm gonna go ahead and go in a quarter position. Here, would have liked to have seen it touch into my red line here. We do have a cave right here. I'm gonna mark it, F6, there's my cave. So if we touch that line, that's where I really wanna get it. The spelunking. Yes, go into the cave. Let's do some spelunking. There's actually another cave line right underneath it right here, so I'm going to mark it as well. And there's my green big fat AO cross as they dive into the cave, hopefully pushing up and not going into the next series, although let me mark this next one as well. Right there. So that's the back of the crab. Another one. Let's see. MACVU is green. Here in the buyers.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Probably be using my half button here. I got my finger over the half. There's my half off at the buy supply. Take another half at the green if we touch. Okay, gonna go ahead and take another half right there, because you know that can be the end of the road. You have to respect it. What's our time? 3:45. Okay, putting a few back on here as we break through. So on a break, I am taking a piercer, adding to my position, half on, half off add. You know the drill. We had a little targeting up top. Okay, we're up into the PRZ. All right. Right there, there's my red touch. Now we're just trying to hold to the opposing signal. And there it is, holding to the opposing signal. And there we go, 14.10, almost doubling our $750 mental target. What do you guys think about that? Did we do good? Did we do all right? What you say? Yeah, what you say? What you say about that?
Smoke weed every day. Oh, wow.
Beautimus.
Hey, this is great, man.
Triple kill.
All right. Trade number one, just for fun, 347. We've got 3 minutes till the 350 algo will be kicking.
Speed of NQ55.
All right, and we got another masher point literally touching right now. So we see all these right here. And that's high of day right there. High of day.
Speed of NQ6.
Let's see if we're going to get there, if they're going to fake it. Make everybody think they're getting there. Sometimes it can pause and reverse right around this area here. Got to be careful of that. Let's make sure we mark our caves. Look over here. There is a completely empty nest. Remember when I talked about it last night? Look at that sucker. I mean, there's nothing there. It went straight through that area and just nothing right there. So that's a spot we could come back to, right? Remember I joked last night about how I kind of think about it as, oops, I missed a spot. Gotta come back and wipe it up. All right, 11.4, 13, 12, 13. Staying in that little zone of spot. We really want to see something big, bigger than that. This is steady volume, all right? What we want to see is a 16 plus. So we see 16. I'd love to see an 18 or 20. Oh, here comes the 350 algo. Totally just missed out the fact that 350 right now. Be very careful here. We've got a giant PRZ setting up right here. We need an order flow event first before we start getting involved. Give me an order flow event. Only structure right there.
Speed of NQ98. Speed of NQ98.
Okay, we did get a down arrow touch here. So, oh, nope, just got negated. So we are still looking to the long side until further notice. Remember, we got the high of day potential there. All right, we have to acknowledge that this is a region now, right? So let's mark it up. Accumulation. So what do we want to play? Double crosses at the top of the bottom for a DCR. Marking the zone. The speed of this, I'm going to put on an ATM. I want a standard small. Okay. There's cell supply 1. I see 2 crosses here, that's when we take it. Only 1 cross, didn't get 2, so couldn't take it there. But we got, there's our divergence as well. And another red arrow there, potential. Looking for an order flow event first. Come back and check my lines. This one got filled earlier, so I'm going to delete this one. And that one is still, that one's still deep. That one's still deep. And one right underneath here that I need to mark. I want to mark this one mainly because it's also right beneath the zone. So we could come right to the bottom of that zone, touch, and I'd love to see some order flow event right here on this, and we'll tap it one more time on that. That's my initial plan. All right, lucky sevens, final 7 minutes. Let's find the trap. All right, this could be a trap to the long side. We want to see the speed. Remember, a trap usually has good speed. Want to look in one direction, find the trap. Is there a trap here? That would be the trap currently. But it's now 3:53, so I want to look for a trap. Do I see a trap here? It's hard to tell. It's hard to tell. To me right now, it looks like it's going to continue to grind up, so the trap is likely going to be to the high. They're probably going to be like, oh, it's going, it's going, it's going, and then it may dump. That's going to be my initial thesis. Hopefully we get an Enigma. We haven't seen an Enigma this entire time since I have come out here. Last Enigma was before I even got on live stream. Remember, it's a short live stream here today. Only coming in here in the final 30 minutes. Already up 1,400 in, what we do, in 15 minutes? 20 minutes? I don't know. I have to go back and look at the tape to see how long or where we got in on that. Okay, here in the cell. Remember, we had a sell-off at the end of the day yesterday. Let's see if it comes back in again for us. I want to see a double cross here at the top of this DC. I'd love to see a DCR at the top here. Need an order flow event, then we'll go.
Enigma short on the
There's the Enigma. All right, I'll take an Enigma. Stop at the top. Oh, I'm going to close it. Got target 1, just for fun.
NQ60. Speed of NQ60.
There they come. Order flow event. Could be a trap. Target's filled. Closing it. All right. Got an extra 200 out of that, 250-ish. Get ready. That could be a trap, we know. So it could be straight up long. Now, we did not touch the cave. If it had touched the cave, you know I'm getting in on that. I'm going to tap it, and then I would close it quickly if it didn't make. Keeping track of our trades here. I'm 3 trades. 3 trades in.
Fib.NQ on
All winners so far.
speed of NQ9.
Winner, winner, and the chicken dinner is on the table. Okay, that's the final trap. So that tells me we should be long to the end of day. There's a sell supply. I'm going to buy. Don't like the sound of that. Okay, add to position after they died out. That looks like the trap to me. So the end of day trap should be right there, and then I want to hold this to the end of day for a runner. I'm going to put one out to the high of day to see if it'll go. I got my finger over the close if it's not working.
Target.
Okay, let's see if we can get that lucky 7s and hold to the end of day. Don't forget, it could be an end of day sell-off. Remember, FOMC is tomorrow. We got our target 1. It struggled to get target 2 there. I'm going to close it. All right, only got about $100 out of that one. Waiting for the order flow event to see if we can push to the highs. There's the trap. All right, market. I like to actually write it out. Just reminds you. Remember lucky 7s? What am I looking for? The trap after or right at 353. Well, go away, go away. No, I don't want to see those right now. I know the speed is weird. It's end of day. Go away. There we go. So should be hold to the end of day for the final 7 minutes on a lucky 7s. Target into the butterfly and crab. Let's see if we go. Got my finger over the close. Really don't want to give anything away here. End of day. Good rip though. Stops are in place. There's the supply. I'll add to position. Oop, it made the move. It did not touch. It did not touch. Missed it by a tick. Close it. Okay, broke underneath the cross. Broke the cross. Yep. Yep, there's the end of day sell-off. Okay. Tricky. Stops might be in some weird places here. Oh, they touched my cave. Oh, getting me some terrible fills there. 50 cent. Give me. Oh, I forgot we're doing small account. Wait for it. All right, I'll close it out right there. Give me an extra 500. That'll put me over 2K on the day, end of day. You gotta love it. Broker Statement's been coming out every night there on Twitter. If you're not following me on Twitter, Do it. There's about to be a lot of fun. We're about to light up Twitter with ICT's hilariousness. He is absolutely getting wrecked right now. Micro Mikey trading micros, which means he's in trouble. Mr. I'm gonna win. Not only am I gonna win the rabbits, I'm gonna get 11,300%. Shut up, bro. Dude, you can't even do math. If you can't even do the math to figure out that it's not possible to do 11,000% anymore with the current margins and the way that, look, 1987 when Larry Williams got that, they didn't have market lockdowns, right? What's the current lockdown? Pop quiz. Who knows? When does the market get locked down? A movement of what? I'll give you a hint. OMG, I love you just straight crapping on this dude. Thanks, Sky. Appreciate it. Yeah, we're having a little fun. So, Hooked on Pip said 4%. I believe it's 5, unless they changed it. Isn't it 5%? Is it 3? So I think they do a halt at 3 and then a full lock at 5, something like that. But basically, the markets are locked down to not have one of those flash crashes anymore, right? That's the whole thing. They want to make sure that they're not doing no flash crash types of scenarios. And that 1987 Black Monday situation that occurred, and Larry Williams wasn't even at the helm. He was off on some, not hiatus, but he was on some, like, he was searching for the Noah's Ark, or no, Ark of the Covenant, which is pretty cool. I was like, oh, when I heard the story, I was amazed, right? But the fact that they're out there promoting Larry Williams like he did something special is BS. And his daughter, at 17 years old, first of all, remind you, everybody, you did not have electronic trading. So there was nobody pressing buttons, right? You had to actually call your broker to put in orders back then. You think a 17-year-old is calling in broker orders? Give me a break. That was called daddy running in both directions. And if daughter's account wins, he wins. If his account wins, he wins. You see, this is the whole trade two accounts and then tell everybody you're awesome and then sell service, right? It's exactly what Larry Williams did. It's exactly how he capitalized on his daughter acting like she's a trader. Get it? Acting, because she's an actress. Haha. That was boop, boom, boom. I don't have one of those drum sounds. Do I have something cool like that?
Nope. 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 Nope.
Yeah, I didn't think so. Run. Exactly. But yeah, no, total fraud. And ICT wants to do the same thing. Remember, y'all find it hilarious, like I do, that he was talking about, my son's gonna be on that top of that leaderboard one day. La, 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 my son, right? Yeah, because he knows how Larry won. He's pretending like he doesn't know how Larry Williams won. He knows. He absolutely knows. Okay, guy's not completely stupid. He's just a fraud. Okay, he's a smart guy. He's very clever. Nobody ever said ICT was stupid. Man can talk, right? He just uses his God-given gift in the wrong way. He's a fraud and a con artist, period. Okay, how do we get on the topic? Oh, yes, because Twitter, I am about to light up Twitter. Make sure you follow me at Real Vinny Emini. And yes, the broker statements have been posted every single day. There's where we're currently at here for the month since I started this small account challenge. There, I am up $22,000 against ICT in his little 10K account. And here's my 10K account. I am up, what I don't know. I don't even do percentage. I hate this percentage thing. The percentage is so stupid. I'm not even gonna say percent. It's stupid. You guys do the math on it. And again, that's live streaming and teaching all at the same time. Can you do it? No, you're fraud. ICT cannot do what I'm doing here. And again, it's because he doesn't have any edge. Our system has edge. Simple as that. Vinny, I don't know if you answered it earlier. Hold on, let me zoom this in. Sorry, my eyes cannot see that. I'm going to zoom in. All right, Vinny, I don't know if you answered it earlier. I was late. Did you remove the delta flagging from the Ripple for some reason? I did, only for visuals. In fact, you kind of remind me. I kind of want to put it back. Yeah, thanks for reminding me. I did pull it off here. Only, again, not on the ripples overall. Remember, I am doing this for the trading competition to show how easy, even with the simplest of the tool sets that we have, I will absolutely annihilate ICT with just 2 charts. I'm not even using my 5 chart layout or my 3 chart layout. Simply 2 things, keeping it simple, straightforward strategies. Now, I kind of want to add the SMOK lines back. I am very much missing my SMOK. In fact, let's add them here real quick. Let me show you. I bet you some of these landed perfectly on some of these turning points. You know what I'm saying? But I know what happens. Our only trolling, the only thing that people can ever say about our stuff is that, oh, it's too busy, it hurts my eyes. Try. I can't handle your stuff on your chart. Yeah, well, you also can't handle my account size either, can you? Okay, why is this not coming up? I just lock everything up. I mean, you don't have to be rich. It's cool. You don't have to have success. You can keep hand drawing your lines if you want. My system lock up. I think my system locked up, or it's off screen somewhere because I move stuff around. Okay, so basically this is my layout though. I'm trying, is this pretty clear for everybody? Does anybody have a hard time looking at everything here? Everybody sees what's going on. Is it pretty straightforward? And of course we do have the delta flagging. I'm not, you know, completely flying blind, right? I just have a higher time frame one, and I would like to see one more. I am very much missing the fact that I don't have my flag pattern where I've got a secondary chart. I would like to divide this, and I am thinking possibly doing this. You guys let me know if you guys think, well, I kind of probably already know what you guys are going to say. You guys want to, you know, see it simple. But then again, some of you guys may want more. I don't know. But I could jam all of this up into here and then still have my secondary entry chart here. But I am just showing that, look, I can just work my way through the lowest time frame scenario with the least amount of risk and maximize my reward to the point where we can do good solid numbers. I think they're good solid numbers. I don't know if you guys do. What do you guys think? You guys like it? If you do me a favor. We've got 60 plus people hanging out here. See if we can get to around, can we get 50 likes? You guys hook me up? Be awesome. Smash that like button here for me. Oh, we got them. 59 likes, you guys. I tell you what. All hearts, ladies and gents. Love you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. For me, Pippi Robbie. Oh, don't forget to check out last night's Mentorship Monday. We went over a lot. It's an hour and 43 minutes worth your time. Completely jam-packed from end to end with that one. I'll catch you in the next one. For me, Pippi Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis G, and Eddie B. I am sitting out of the Big H Town. Go check out that Robbins video. See ya! Robbins Expose on the Vinny Emini Market Historian channel. Go check it out.